Actually, with the sun, it's really nice. I'm not even gonna bring my hut. I'm not gonna stay here too long. Do the vibrato. Pretty shallow. I don't expect to catch anything here. But that would be fun. That is a brand new spot. Never ice fished it, never checked it. That's what happens early season when there's no safe ice where you want to go. And explore. And there is safe ice, it's just really bad ice for the snowmobile. There's a fish down here, boys. We have a fish down here. I had him. He's coming up for it. He's coming up for it. You guys see him? Got him. Oh, this feels so good, guys. This feels so good. This feels so right. This feels so good. Oh man, this feels so good. New area. First drop of the year on Lake Simcoe. New spot. Left it where, kept going with what I had last year, not fishing any areas I fished in the past. This is a brand new spot for me. Feels good. Oh, this feels so good. Super long fish. He wasn't going anywhere. There we go. We got our first whitefish of the year and I'm so happy. It's a good one too. So he's gonna go back in. He's ready to go. Yeah. I just had another one come up. So I'm gonna hurry up and go get the drifter. Hopefully there's none coming. That one was super aggressive. Chased it 8 feet up under the ice. So I'm fishing about 20 feet of water right now. And I've never been here. I truly believe those whitefish spawn here. So I just missed one with the blade bait. I'm gonna put the drifter on. I'd like for it to focus on it. I'll just change the bait. I'm gonna put the drifter on. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's what we're gonna put on. I'm fishing about 20 feet of water and I go on bottom a couple of times, but these fish have shown me that they're willing to rise to a bait very aggressively. So instead of it hitting bottom right now, I'm lifting it up. I'm about 10 feet off the bottom, and I'm jigging it up and down non-stop until I see a mark. Now the one I just caught, he bit it on bottom, but he stuck around. The other one I missed going to turn the camera on. He went up, stayed up, and when I came back, he was in there. Oh, back on my bait, he left. I don't know why I would leave. Got it. On the drifter. Looks like a good fish too. Oh, just at the hole. Fish. A bit smaller, but drifter just come off. Super light. Here's another fish. Oh, that's nice. He goes right back down. You know, practice conservation. Your daily limit and your possession limit is 2 here on Lake Simcoe. This is a natural. To me, all naturals goes back. I do eat whitefish, but natural, they spawn. The stockfish have a really hard time spawning. There's no data proving that they can spawn, and usually stockfish do not spawn or reproduce. So we got our 3rd whitefish of the day. He goes right back down. This is about your average size here on Lake Simcoe. I was gonna move, but I think I'm gonna stay. You guys are just bad luck. So as soon as I end it, I caught one. So 2 on the vibrato, and this is the first one on the drifter. It's also the first fish that shows up since I have the drifter down, so can't really say what's working great, but they're super aggressive right now. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I didn't have much time as I wanted to fish today. Couple hours outing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe if you do enjoy this content. I look forward to seeing you guys on the water.